So why is the Gmail on your Android phone not sending emails with attachments? So let me talk about it and show you some of the things you can do. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more so you that way don't miss anything important. Well, of course, you can open up the Play Store at first and look up the Gmail, and if there is an update available, I would most certainly install it and make sure I have the latest version of the app. And then once you do have it, you could try to play around with it and see what is really causing the issue if the attachments are not sending. I would say that the most likely scenario is that you are sending an attachment which is larger than the available limit. For example, a lot of people want to attach videos or very large photos, but the limit is of course 25 megabytes, and most videos are larger than that. So this is what might be causing the issue for you, and perhaps this is why it's not sending emails with attachment. But I would still most certainly give it a try. Like, what you can do is to basically send an email to yourself and tap on the paperclip icon and attach something from the files or photos, or perhaps directly through the camera, and try to see if it makes any difference, and just send it to yourself to see what really appears, right? Because if you're sending it to other people, you may not even see what exactly the problem is or how exactly it shows up on their device. So I would recommend you to test it out, and I believe that as long as the limit is there and properly, set up that you are below the 25 megabytes, then the photos or attachments should be delivered normally. So I really hope that I was able to explain that. If there is still something else or weird going on, let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make more videos and updated content about that, but for now that's it, and I'll catch you in the future videos too.